Hey everyone, welcome to Spur Design Garage. I'm Austin, and today we're going to be talking about discerning your wants from your needs as a designer and making decisions based on who you're designing for rather than for yourself. In the last sketch and chat video, I talked about how to break out of a creative rut as a designer. It seemed to be a popular video, so this may become a series on this channel. If you haven't seen the last chat video yet, I'll leave a description or a link in the description for you to go check it out. All right, so main point of today is discussing the importance of designing for others. Designers are somewhat known for being a bit narcissistic. The act of design and generating ideas out of your own head can be inherently a bit selfish, but there are multiple ways to channel this creative energy. Designer Philippe Starck spoke about narcissistic design versus dutiful design. The former focuses on creating designs to generate recognition for a designer, whereas the latter is focused on creating joy, good function, experience, and invention for the future and for the user themselves. As a young designer in college at Art Center College of Design, my experience while speaking and presenting my own concepts stemmed primarily from creating my own recognition at that time, and slowly I learned to change this and focus on the user more and more. No one who wants to buy a city car wants it to look like a sleek Ferrari with no headroom. And similarly, no one searching for a durable hiking shoe for a professional job wants it to have a sleek, low-profile material like a running shoe upper that will wear out over time. These are kind of generic examples, but either way, you have to constantly ask yourself, starting out, whether the decisions you're making are trying to improve the lives of a person you're designing for, or if you're simply drawing what you want to draw. Really examining the needs of others is so important in a design career and can be incredibly fulfilling too. I've designed many things that I wouldn't buy myself because I don't do the activity, or in general I don't resonate with the style or something like that, yet it is still a great feeling seeing them and knowing that they're perfect for someone else. This is the whole reason in this video I'm not drawing another supercar. I'm drawing something that I wouldn't buy myself. It's good practice to do this so that when you're tasked with designing for someone else, you're trained to think about their needs and wants. Starting a business or design project can be a similar challenge. I have so many ideas that I think are great, and then I really sit down and think about it and decide that they aren't good business models or ideas, because they are so specific to my own desires that there may not be much of a market for those ideas. Not only will thinking about the user make you a better designer in school, it will very much help out your career when you can show coworkers, clients, potential employers that you know how to work through a variety of projects, markets, use cases, and people. If, as a young designer, you notice that you're mostly sketching cool things to show off on Instagram, maybe take a step back and ask yourself what you really want out of your design career, and go look up good examples of projects online that will show you how to be empathetic and use that skill in your own design work. With that said, despite all that, make sure you're still making time to have fun sketching things only for yourself. It can be good meditation. So, was this chat helpful for you? Do you like these sketch and chat style videos? Let me know in the comments, and if you liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me grow this channel and provide more content. I'll see you all again in a few weeks. Have an awesome day.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.